Have you ever wondered what makes an heirloom tomato more delicious than the ones from the grocery store? You can think of heirloom seeds like heirloom jewelry. They're unique varieties where the seed has been passed from generation to generation, because all seeds have a story. But once a plant variety is gone, it's gone forever, which makes it important to save and preserve heirloom seeds. And that's what our nonprofit is all about. At Seed Savers Exchange, gardeners save seeds and share them with us. We maintain the seeds in our vault, but also share the seeds with others to grow and save. This is called participatory conservation. The heirloom seed movement needs you. Access seeds from our exchange or catalog and grow and save seeds in your own backyard. Join us, shop our catalog, or give a donation today. Visit seedsavers.org to learn more.